Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete TikTok account. So for that you just need to log in your account and open the app and just come to the profile section. Click here, and after this you just need to click on this three dot here. Just press it, and now you can see the option settings and privacy option. Just click here, and now you can show multiple options here. So for that you just need to go on account section. Just click here, and now you can see the deactivate or delete account. So that's it, you have found that option where we can delete our account of TikTok. So for that you just need to click on delete account. Now here we have two options, deactivate account or delete our account permanently. So what the deactivate account says, no one can see your account including all content that is stored in it. Reactivating your account and recover all content anytime. After deactivating account, you can reactivate your account with using your ID and password. So you can reactivate your account. So for that, if you want to deactivate account, so just click here. Now you should read these terms of deactivating account. If you are agree with this, just click on deactivate and your account has been deactivated successfully. And we have another option, that delete account permanently. So what delete account permanently says, your account and content will be deleted permanently. You may cancel the deletion request reactivating your account within 30 days. So this is the option, delete permanent. So if you want to delete your account permanent, so just click here. Why you are deleting your account, so you can choose any reason. If you have any genuine reason, so you can select any. If there is no reason, so you can select other reason and put the reason why you are deleting your account. So that's how you can do it, deactivating and deleting account permanently. So that's for the video, and if you found this video very helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.